Hello, kids! I am your Captain AHS. Winter magic isn't just outside. Step into a world where you can draw and create anything with Paint 3D. Get ready to explore colors, shapes, and tools that bring your imagination to life.
Saro, can we make a big snowman? Of course, Mina. But what if we could make snowmen of all shapes and sizes without even getting cold? How? We can use a drawing program on the computer. It's like playing in the snow, but with shapes and colors on the screen. What's a drawing program? A drawing program is like a digital art box. It's a tool on the computer that lets you create pictures by drawing shapes, lines, and adding colors. Instead of using paper and crayons, we use a screen and a mouse or finger. So, it's like having an art class, but on a tablet? Exactly, Mina. And the best part, we can change and fix things easily if we make a mistake. I wish I could make a perfect snowflake design. Mine always melt or break. You can design your snowflakes in Paint 3D. It's like drawing, but on a screen. What is Paint 3D? Mina. It's a drawing program where we can draw 2D and 3D things. Really? See, Mina. Here I am. Creating a snowflake using the 2D shapes. Selecting a triangle shapes and straight line. We can use so many different shapes to create things. It looks like a real snowflake! You can even color it with the paint bucket tool. Let's use icy blue for a frosty touch. This is so cool! Hasib, do you know how to make a penguin using the drawing program?
A penguin is made of ovals and circles.
Let's go and make a penguin on Paint 3D.
Let's try to make a penguin using 3D shapes. We will create a penguin by selecting an oval shape from 3D shapes and start creating it.
Hasib, it's really cool drawing app! We can't create so many amazing things using this.
It's time for the quiz. What is a drawing program? Option A, a tool to write stories on the computer. Option B, a program that lets you create pictures using shapes, lines, and colors. Option C, a music app for drawing notes. Option B, a program that lets you create pictures using shapes, lines, and colors. What tool in a drawing program helps you fix a mistake? Option A, eraser tool. Option B, color tool. Option C, circle tool. Option A, eraser tool. In a drawing program, what can you use to fill a shape with color? Option A, draw tool. Option B, fill tool. Option C, undo tool. Option B, fill tool. Which picture shows a snowman made using a drawing program? Option A, snowman. Which shape is needed to draw the body of a penguin? Option A, oval shape. Up next, we'll dive into the tools that make drawing shapes even easier. Get ready to unleash your creativity.